Brianne Todd. I'm a senior here at Penn State, and my major is Health Policy Administration. I live on 114 South Fraser Street in an apartment downtown. To get to my classes, I usually walk to the bus. I have to plan about 15 minutes ahead of time to catch the bus and get to my class on time. A few extra responsibilities I have now living in the apartments instead of the dorms was that I have to pay my own electric and cable, where in the dorms it was included in the housing tuition. I have a car here and I park it in a parking garage across the street from my apartment. It's called the Fraser Street Parking Garage.
My name is Brianna Torino. I am 21 and I'm a senior. It's nice because there's like a huge living area and then the kitchen's separate, and then there's 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So it's not like 6 girls have to share 1 bathroom. In the dorm, you didn't have a kitchen and you couldn't cook your own food and bond with your roommates. In an apartment, you have your own room, so it's really nice. Some of the negatives about living in an apartment is it gets really, really loud because of all the trucks driving past and people at night screaming. And also, it's hard to keep the apartment clean, and we have to clean our own bathrooms, buy toilet paper and everything in the dorms. That was all provided for you.
My name's Shannon Brown. I'm a senior and I'm an accounting major. Our apartment has a dishwasher, microwave, oven, laundry. The perks are that we all have our own bedroom, that we're so close to campus, literally like not even a block away, so it's really easy to walk to class. If I wanted to get breakfast, I usually stop at Dunkin' Donuts or at the coffee shop in the business building. I'm more responsible for my food, cooking my own food, getting my own food. With the dorm, we had our own meal plan, so it wasn't as hard.